Hey guys, Colin with TorchPrep here. Today we're going to work on problem number 22 from test number 4. Now before we jump into this problem, I want you guys to pause the video, read the problem, and then we'll move on. Awesome. So we have a word problem and we need to use the word problem strategy code cracker for this problem. And this is going to be used in the work portion of the Math 3 sweep. So this is what we know given the word problem strategy. We know that the price of 1 yard of calico, we are trying to find what is the price of 1 yard of calico, What we know is that Joan pays $25 for 3 yards of flannel fabric, that's what the F stands for, and 4 yards of calico fabric, that is what the C stands for. Chris pays $11 for 1 yard of flannel. We have rubber bands everywhere, and 2 yards of the calico fabric. So we need to use this information to solve the problem. So how we can go about doing this, first is we should identify this in the form of an equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to make X flannel and Y calico. Here's what this is going to look like. So Joan is her equation is going to look like this, okay? That's a J. Joan's is going to be 3X because she pays for 3 yards of flannel. X is for flannel, plus 4Y for the calico equals 25. And for Chris, his is just going to be X, because 1 exists here, plus 2 yards of calico equals 11. We need to find, like this says, the price of 1 yard of calico fabric. Now, if Y is the variable that represents the calico fabric, we need to get this Y variable by itself. So you might ask the question, that one hit me right in the face. We might ask the question, Colin, how do I get the Y variable by itself? Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to make these X variables disappear. So how we're going to do that is we're going to multiply this entire equation by -3. Sorry, this is Chris's equation down here. I'm going to put a C here. We have to multiply all of Chris's equation by -3. The reason that we do that is because once this is multiplied, this will be -3x. We can cross these out. That'll eliminate that variable. So let's work this one out. So we have -3x minus 6y equals -33. Okay, so in addition to the problem up here, I'm just going to rewrite it up here. This is 3x plus 4y equals 25. These are going to get crossed out. This now becomes 2y. And then when you add these two together, this is going to become -2y. You add these two together, this becomes -8. You can divide this by -2, that cancels that out. Divide this by -2, y equals 4, which means that your answer is G. And that is the end of the problem. You may move on.